Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is it November 3rd or November the 4th? So we are out here November the 4th, Tuesday. So guys, we're out here in Roswell, Georgia. Kind of borderline though, to Chambly. So anyway, long story short, we came out here Friday. We came out here initially last week, did an in-home consultation. And the client had some contractors here. They put tape on it. They left the tape down on the floors. And also remember, guys, I don't care what finish you have on that floor. If you put tape down and it sits for too long, it will pull the finish up. Okay, I don't care if it's water-based, oil-based, one component, two component, UV cure, it will pull the finish up, okay? And that's what happened. So I came in here to do the in-home consultation. And when I got here to do the job last Friday, I just could not get the color to match with my color correction techniques. Find out the floors were done about 7 years ago and wasn't really done right anyway, but that's besides the point. They had mixed stains, okay? And when you mix stains, it's really hard to do a color correction because we don't know what colors they were. All the clients said, no, Courtney, I know it was a brown and a gray, okay? But there's a lot of browns and there are, some different grays out there. So long story short, I told my client, I said, listen, I'm not going to be able to make the color correction. The floor is going to need to be sanded. So the client opted in and said, okay, Courtney, since the furniture's already moved out, let's just go ahead and have the floor sanded, and he'll pay the additional cost to have the floor sanded. All right, so the sanding guys get out here Saturday, and sand the floors down. Small job, like 550 square feet. And they put down some samples. 3 different samples, and the client, the missus of the house, Miss Sydney, was here. And we got here after the sanding guys were done, and after I did my last step of putting the coating down before the UV cure, Miss Sydney had left, and she came back, and I said, Miss Sydney, come look at these floors. They look amazing. And as soon as she walked to that door right there in the garage, she said, Courtney, that's not the stain I picked out. I said, huh? She said, yeah, that is not the stain I picked out. I said, are you sure? She said, Courtney, and she actually showed me on her phone where she took a picture of 3 samples that they put down. She said, this is the one I chose, not this one. So long story short, I called my sanding guys. There was some type of miscommunication. So they came back yesterday, Monday, sanded the floors down, put the coating down. I just came in, put the buffed the floors down before the last coat. And I'm about to put the coat on now, and then we're gonna get it UV cured, and then the movers are gonna come around 2 o'clock and put the furniture back. So guys, the point of this video, there's no such thing as a perfect job, okay? Things do happen, all right? Sometimes it's in our control, sometimes it's out of our control, all right? But the point of this video is just to let the public know and other contractors and homeowners know things do happen, all right? And the good thing about it, I will say this, it's good when you work for people who understand, because I'm a very understanding person. For example, I had my bathroom remodeled 2 years ago, and took about a month to do it. My contractor that I use, and I will say he's not the best with time, but he's great at what he does. Well, long story short, after about a week of having the bathroom remodeled and the shower, we noticed a leak in the garage. We're like, where's that leak coming from? And we noticed it's right above, the bathroom and the masters. So we call our contractor back out and find out that one of the hoses inside the wall was not tightened. Well, guess what, guys? 2 weeks without a shower because they had to knock the entire shower down. The towel that my wife picked, they didn't have enough of it left at where we bought it from, so she had to pick another towel. She wasn't happy about that. But again, things do happen. My contractor apologized, and he came back and made it right. It took him 2 weeks to make it right, but again, I'm a very understanding person. Nothing's perfect, okay? When things go good, that is good, but sometimes things don't always go good. So with that being said, guys, is that just remember this. When things don't go right, it's all about how you handle it. And one thing about me, man, and anybody can say, I would do my best to make sure it's right, okay? And that's what we did. And, we're down to the touchdown. So the last coat is about to go down. In about 2 hours, UV cure, and the furniture will be going back today. And that's what it's all about. You know, I have a great reputation. And I do my best to take care of my clients. All right. Now, there are certain things that, you know, you do have people who are very nitpicky and people who would just try to take advantage, you know, whatever. And again, it's all about how you handle it. But with that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and get this last coat down. And I just thank my clients for giving us an opportunity and just making this right. And like I say, you know, I got here to do my job. I couldn't do my job because I couldn't match the color. All right. So hey, you know, I'm not a magician. The sanding guys came here. There was a miscommunication with the stain. Had the sanding floors all the way back down, you know. But again, it's getting done right. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video can help somebody. See you in the next one. All right, guys, we're wrapping up. Job came out great. UV cure. Movers will be here in about 45 minutes. And again, guys, when things go south, we can always find a way to make it right. So Miss Sydney is on the way to look at the floors. She's very happy with them, the color that she chose. And me and Tavares are going to go do a consultation and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a screen and recoat in Stockbridge, Georgia with UV cure. Hey, Miss Sydney, so this is the UV cure right here.
Okay.
So this is like when you go get your nails done. You put yep, same concept.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So
It's all done.
it's all done. You're happy?
It's over, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'm glad that you're happy.
That looks good.
And it looks good.
Yeah.
And that's what I was explaining in my video. You know, things happen, but it's, you know, I always say, you know, it's not, you know, it's how you handle the situation. And I'm glad that you allowed, you know, you and your husband, you know, gave us the opportunity to make it right. Yeah. And like you said, even though it wasn't my fault, but it was my job. So I want to take accountability as well. But I want to make sure you guys are happy.
Yep, we're happy.
That's all that matters.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So she's happy. The mover. Oh, Christian said they'll be here about 2. So then about 40 minutes. They'll be.
Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay.
Yep. And I told him what you said too about the movers, how you were very happy with them.
Yeah. So nice. They were really great.
Yeah, I always get good compliments with those guys. I've been using them for about 3 years, and I have not got one bad compliment yet. And even on a few times, like I think just one time, they was moving a lady's couch, and they couldn't take it to the garage, so they had to put it in another room. Yeah. And they put a hole in her wall. Well, guess what? Christian went and made it right. They fixed the wall, patched it, painted it, and she said, Courtney, they fixed it. So like I say, you know, things happen, but you know, long as yep.
Happen.
Yep. Sometimes things happen. And like you know, and that's another thing I say, it's good to work for people that understand. So all right, Miss Sydney, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. And yep, have that furniture back in and everything be back to square one.
Okay, that's awesome. Thank you.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.